Let me hold you one last time. Let me hold you one last
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another hair video for you guys from RPGSHOW wigs, and I am loving this wig. The blonde is everything on my skin tone. Like guys, the blonde, the dark roots, I like how the roots isn't too dark compared to the blonde. Like this is just perfect. Like, so this is the 13x6 Glueless Fit 2.0 Swiss lace front wig. So the lace that comes with the wig is Swiss lace, it's not the HD lace, but guys, the Swiss lace on this wig is so good. It literally melts into your skin really well. So with this new construction, it literally lays down on your head and it fits your head perfectly without you having to glue it down. Guys, this is 100% glueless. I've not used any gel, any glue, any hairspray. It's a 200% density and it's a 20-inch wig. Guys, honestly, I really love this wig. It was so easy for me to install, very easy for me to work with, so it's definitely beginner friendly. So if you guys want to see how I installed and styled this gorgeous wig from RPGSHOW wigs, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. I'm gonna see if I can try and achieve a glueless install, because guys, this fits really snug on my head right now. You can see this is the lace and it just fits so snug, so I think I can definitely achieve a glueless install. The only thing I've done is to clip the adjustable elastic band on the inside of the wig together, and that's the only thing holding this wig right now, guys. Like, it fits so snug. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the wig and then we can move on to styling.
Let me hold you one last time. One last time.
So guys, this is what the lace looks like, and the hairline looks great. The lace itself definitely melts in, and this is the Swiss lace, not even the HD lace, and the wig definitely fits very snug. I've not used any gel, no glue, no hairspray so far, but now I'm going to go ahead and use some hair mousse just to melt the lace in. This wig is so lush. Like, look at the blonde, look at the roots. I'm gonna go in with some argan oil hair serum. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off the melt band now, and we should be all good. So like I said, this wig is from RPG Wigs. It comes pre-plucked, it comes pre-bleached, and guys, this is 100% glueless. So I've not used any hairspray, any gel, any glue. The only thing I've used to melt the lace is just my hair mousse. 100% glueless, and this is very beginner friendly, definitely very beginner friendly. I'm in love. So I'm just gonna apply some concealer just to make that stand out a bit more, and then we are good to go. I can't get over this blonde. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. I'm so in love with this blonde. Like I said, the wig is from RPG Wigs, and this is their 20-inch Glueless Fit 2.0 wig. It's a tinted transparent Swiss lace, and yeah, love the wig, love the blonde. So easy to install. Literally took me about what, 5 to 10 minutes for me to get this wig looking like this. I'm so impressed, honestly. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you think about this wig in the comment section below, and I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.